We got some Otis Gen2 MRL traction. Just installed. You coming up?
Yeah, no, y'all are good. Good.
All right,
Actually,
thank you so much.
I'm coming up. I'm in the video.
You want to be on camera?
Yeah, dude. Awesome, guys. Parker Ballman. Comfortable Pillow. Follow me on Instagram. I work at the Stella. We're checking out the elevators. They're really fast.
Yeah.
They're really fast. We got 6 floors.
How many feet does it travel?
I have no clue. But
I think it probably travels like around probably 200 feet a minute, 100, 200 feet.
yeah, it picks up some speed. It's pretty. Oh, you were right. How did you know that we had? That's crazy.
Yeah, it's on the elevator records.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, so it says it like when you look it up?
Yeah.
That's cool. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Glad you guys
Get off.
check it out.
We're taking another ride.
Okay.
Oh, that was a message from someone. We'll do a dual indicator this time. This is worth filming.
Yeah.
Go and send down one.
Okay.
These are some awesome elevators.
Yes, they are. Okay.
One more ride.
Sure.
This beautiful lobby.
Mm-hmm.
Installed in 2017. Number one, what ended there?
Okay.
See a view out there. Alright, let's go back in. I don't want to nudge the elevator. This thing is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Let's not watch the button go out. These things run so smooth.
Mm-hmm. There it goes, and that's it.